a silent room, the heart begins to bloom. Beyond the cage of steel, where the ancient secrets heal. No more shadows to fear, the infinite is near. The sun, the race has been won. He speaks to the soul, making the broken whole.
Higher, higher, the sound of the bird. Higher, higher, the cry of the earth. Higher, higher, the sound of the bird. Higher, higher, the cry of the earth. The cry of the earth. The cry of the hush, hush. The sign is the gate, the woman in light, defying the fate, defying the fate, defying the fate. He speaks to the core, we hunger no more. Irrational, beautiful, burning, the logic of the dust falls away in its turning. Unlearning the fear, drawing the infinite near. The skies of gold, the mystery is told. Amen.